Imagine this. I tell you that adopting this one new habit could drastically improve your life. And I'm prepared to answer all of your doubts about the researcher's qualifications, the funding behind it, yada, yada, yada. But even if all of that is solid, peer-reviewed, blinded, randomized controlled trials, all of it, what if the key finding is something that you are especially skeptical about? Maybe it's manifesting your power or a specific diet. Are you still curious, or are you prepared to completely dismiss it? Here's the thing. Our existing beliefs heavily influence how we perceive new information. And if something contradicts our views or those held by our community, we simply just brush it off. If you really want to change someone's mind, don't insist, play it cool, quit throwing out facts, and recognize that change has to be gradual. It has to be this very subtle drip, drip, drip from a whole bunch of different sources. And remember, it's not about proving points. It's about evolving ideas. And what about you? Are you prepared to challenge your beliefs?